Everyone, hope you all are doing good. Students, we have already finished your first chapter of 10th standard, that is linear equations in two variables. Today, we are going to learn one more interesting topic, that is chapter number 2, quadratic equations. So let's start. Before learning what is quadratic equation, let's recall what is polynomial. You have already studied in the previous standard monomial, binomial, trinomial, even the polynomial. Polynomial is nothing but which has many terms in it. Under this we have two types. One is linear polynomial and another is quadratic polynomial. When the degree of a polynomial is 1, it is called as linear polynomial. If the degree of a polynomial is 2, then we will call it as a quadratic polynomial. The only difference between linear and quadratic is its degree. Let us see, one activity has been given, page number 30 of your textbook. Classify the following polynomials into linear and quadratic. 5x plus 9, x square plus 3x minus 5, 3x minus 7, 3x square minus 5x and 5x square. Let us classify them under linear polynomial and quadratic polynomial. Here you can see the 5x plus 9, the degree is 1. So definitely it will come under linear. X square plus 3x minus 5, the degree is 2. So it will go to quadratic polynomial. 3x minus 7, once again degree 1. 3x square minus 5x, it is degree 2, so quadratic. 5x square degree is 2, it will come under quadratic polynomial. Easy? Study what do you mean by quadratic equation. The equation involving one variable and having 2 as the maximum index or a power of the variable is called the quadratic equation. The general form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a, b, c are real numbers and a cannot be 0. Now why I am telling a cannot be 0? Because if I put a is equal to 0 in this term, the complete term will become 0. Only the remaining is bx plus c. But if the remaining is bx plus c, its degree is 1, it will become a linear equation, not a quadratic equation. The general form of a quadratic equation is very important. Students, please make a note of this. Now here you have one more table which is given in your textbook. Very simple. They have given the quadratic equations. You should convert into a general form and you should find the values of a, b, c. The first one, x square minus 4 is equal to 0. While writing in the general form, you will write x square as there is no bx term. The bx term is not there. You will write 0x. Minus 4 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 4. In the second one, y square is equal to 2y minus 7. 2y if you bring left hand side, it will become minus and the minus 7 will become plus. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 7. In the third equation, x square plus 2x is equal to 0. If you compare this one with the general form, there is no c term. So in place of c, I have to put 0. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and the c is equal to 0. Let's now learn what do you mean by roots of a quadratic equation. The values of variable which satisfy the equation or the value for which the given equation will become equal, we will call it as roots of a quadratic equation. It is also called solutions of the equation. Let us see one example. For x is equal to minus 6 in the polynomial x square plus 5x minus 6. Let's put x is equal to minus 6 in the given equation. Left hand side, minus 6 square plus 5 into minus 6 minus 6. It will become 36 minus 30 minus 6, which is nothing but 36 minus 36 equal to 0. So left hand side equal to right hand side. So x is equal to minus 6 is called as the solution of the given equation. Now see some examples from practice set 2.1. The question number 1. Write any two quadratic equations. Very simple. You can write any equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. I have written x square plus 5x minus 4 is equal to 0. And the second example, y square is equal to 2y minus 4. Now y square is equal to 2y minus 4. If you convert or bring 2y in the left hand side, it will become minus 2y, and the minus 4 it will become plus 4. Then it will be of the form, general form of the equation. Now the second question, decide the given equations are quadratic or not. The first example, y square plus 1 upon y equal to 2. After equalizing the denominators, it will become y cube plus 1 by y is equal to 2. You know that how to equalize the denominator. Easily if you cross multiply, it will become y cube plus 1 by y is equal to 2. Again the cross multiplication, you will get y cube plus 1 is equal to 2y, which is nothing but y cube minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Here you can see the index of the variable is 3, which is not 2. So the given equation is not an quadratic equation. One more example, that is y square is equal to 5y minus 10. The solution. Here the equation y square is equal to 5y minus 10 will becomes y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0, because you are going to write in a general form. Y square, 5y will bring left hand side, and the 10 will bring left hand side. Its sign will change. Here the highest index of the variable is 2. So you can easily say the given equation is quadratic equation. Let us move to the next question, that is, write the following quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Also you should write the values of a, b, c for each equation. Let us see one example. 3m square is equal to 2m square minus 9. Here the equation will becomes 3m square. If you bring 2m square this side, it will become minus, and the minus 9 will become plus. So what will happen? 3m square minus 2m square, it will become m square plus 9 is equal to 0, which is nothing but m square plus 0m plus 9 is equal to 0. Here you can see 3m square minus 2m square, it will become m square, and the plus 9 equal to 0. As there is no bx term, we have written 0m. After that, comparing with the equation or a standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, you will get a is equal to the value 1, and the b is equal to 0, and the c is equal to 9. Very simple. Let us now see one more example. X square minus 9 is equal to 13. Solution. The given equation will become x square minus 9 minus 13 is equal to 0. It will become x square minus 22 is equal to 0, which is nothing but x square plus 0x minus 22 equal to 0. Comparing with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, and c is equal to minus 22. Very easy sum. Let's move to the fourth question. Decide or determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equations are the solutions or the root of the quadratic equation. 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0. Here the values for m has been given. M is equal to 2 and 5 upon 2. Solution. Substituting m is equal to, first we will substitute m is equal to 2 in the given equation. Left hand side, 2 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 is equal to 0. Here you can see that I have substituted in place of m the value of 2. It will become 2 into 4 minus 5 into 2, that is 10. 8 minus 10, which is nothing but minus 2, which is not equal to RHS. Therefore, m is equal to 2 is not the root of a given quadratic equation. Why? Because left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Let us now substitute m is equal to 5 upon 2 in the same equation. Left hand side is equal to 2 into 5 upon 2 square minus 5 into 5 upon 2. Here 2 into 5 upon 2 square it will becomes 2 into 25 upon 4 minus 25 upon 2. 2 upon 4 here you can get cancel here, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So it will become 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2, which is nothing but equal to 0, which is nothing but our right hand side. Therefore m is equal to 5 upon 2 is the solution or root of the given equation. Why? Because for this value of m, both the left hand side and the right hand side has become equal. Let's move to the fifth question. If x is equal to 3 is one root of the given quadratic equation, that is kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. Find the value of k. Solution. Very simple sum. You should substitute x is equal to 3 as a root of the given equation. Now the equation will become k into 3 square minus 10 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Here you can see I have substituted x is equal to 3 in the given equation. It will become 9k minus 30 plus 3 is equal to 0, which is nothing but 9k minus 27 is equal to 0. 9k is equal to 27 and k is equal to 27 upon 9, which is nothing but k is equal to 3. We have done with the topic of the day. Now you can easily solve practice set 2.1. Thank you for watching.